Hello everybody, this is Mr. Keele. Today, I'm showing you a great resource that you can find in your student portals. It's called Destiny Discover. Now, this is where you can find Ben's Guide to the US government. You might already be familiar with CultureGrams. Hey, you might be writing a research report, and you might need some good nonfiction texts. Well, this is definitely the resource for you. Maybe you just want a good book. Maybe you like scary books like Goosebumps. Maybe you like funny books, or anime, or graphic novels. Well, if you like any of those genres, this is definitely the resource for you. Let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and go to Google. When you're here, right here, I want you to type in Long Beach Unified School District. You might also know it as LBUSD. Basically, I just need you to get to the Long Beach website. Now, when you search it up, here's what it's going to look like. You see that top result? I'll put it in a red box. I need you to click on that, Long Beach Unified School District. Now when you get here, this page should look pretty familiar to you. I want you to look at the top right. I'll put a red box around it. Do you see where it says Main Menu? Go ahead, click on Main Menu. And since you're a student, I want you to go down to where it says Students. And I need you to log into your student portal. I'll put a red box around it right now. Now, I need you to go ahead and log in. Remember, your username is your student ID number. Your password is your date of birth. But remember, it's in the 6-digit format. Once you're logged in, I need you to find Destiny Discover. Now, I don't see it on this page, and you might not either. That's okay. You just have to fish around for it. So you might need to click Home, or My Tiles, Account, Applications. You just need to fish around for it. If you really can't find it, go to the top where you see that magnifying glass. I'll put a red oval around it right now. Click on that magnifying glass and type in Destiny. It should pop up for you. There it is. Go ahead and click on Destiny. It should take you to this page afterwards. Now, since we're in elementary school, I need you to look on the left-hand side. You see all those names of the elementary schools? I need you to scroll down to where it says Lincoln. Right there. I'll put it in the red box for you. Go ahead and click on Lincoln. Now once you do that, you are in. Congratulations. Go exploring.